Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Law 30, the 3 bars for building great teams. This law holds the key to understanding how the greatest leaders decide who to hire, fire, and promote in their organizations. And it's all about putting culture before everything when building a winning team. Stick around because you're about to learn some valuable insights from legendary figures like Sir Alex Ferguson and business moguls like Barbara Corcoran. Let's kick things off with the man himself, Sir Alex Ferguson, arguably the greatest football manager of all time. When he took the reins at Manchester United in 1986, he made one thing crystal clear. The most important thing at Manchester United was the culture of the club. And he wasn't just talking about tactics and players, he was talking about values and culture. Ferguson believed that instilling these values from day one and maintaining them across the board would lead to long-term success. His famous question to potential signings like Patrice Evra, "Are you willing to die for this club?" emphasized the importance of commitment to the culture. That's the foundation of a winning team, and Ferguson's track record of 38 trophies speaks for itself. One of Ferguson's most iconic phrases was, "Nobody is bigger than the club." He'd unexpectedly transfer even star players if they no longer embodied the United way. This approach, while bold, was a hallmark of his success. Rio Ferdinand shared how Ferguson let go of top players like Jaap Stam and David Beckham at the peak of their careers. The man just had a knack for spotting potential issues early. Now, let's shift to the business world. Barbara Corcoran, the Shark Tank investor and real estate mogul, stresses the importance of removing toxic influences from your team before they infect others. As she puts it, people who are negative always need somebody to be negative with them. These individuals can steal your team's energy and negatively impact your culture. Harvard Business Review conducted a study that found employees were 37% more likely to commit misconduct at work when exposed to a coworker with a history of misconduct. Toxic employees are contagious, spreading negativity like a virus. This study revealed that a single bad apple can lead to more cases of misconduct, ultimately eroding trust and engagement within the team. So, how can you make the right decisions about hiring, promoting, and firing to protect your team's culture? I've got a simple yet effective framework for you, the 3 bars. Ask yourself if everyone in the organization had the same cultural values, attitude, and talent as this employee, would the bar be raised, maintained, or lowered? This question can help you identify who needs to go and who deserves promotion. Remember, with every hire, you should aim to raise the bar. And if someone, no matter their past achievements, becomes a bar lowered, take decisive action to preserve your team's culture. After all, the essence of a company is its people. That's a wrap for today, my friends. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your team. And as always, keep building those great teams by putting culture first. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.